If you want to change the background color in MATLAB, go to Home tab, then go to Preferences, then go to the MATLAB tab here, and then go to Colors. Within Colors, you have to untick the Use System Colors, that is untick to change the default colors. So the text is black and the background is white, so I want to change it to black. You can change it to any other color. And for the text, I want to change it to white. So you can also change the colors of the keyword strings from these tabs here. So after you change according to your test, you just click on apply. So for the font, you just have to go to the MATLAB again and then navigate to the font part. So you can change the size of the font, for example, to 48, just to make it bigger. And then from plain to bold, and just click on apply and then OK. So if I have A is equal to 2, you see the font is white and it is bold and my background is black. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.